is out. We have Tanging Ikaw, one slow out. That's play now. It's now Uncle moving a party outside. Medals time is by the rail, and in third, Terminator. Then followed by Roadrunner in fourth. Bahrain is racing in fifth alongside Madeline Bullish Dream. Tanori inside Divine Diva. About 5 wide comes entry number 11. And that is Beat the Hit. As they swing down the back, medals time by about 3 lengths. Uncle in second, moving a party outside Terminator. Roadrunner is racing in fourth, and in fifth, Bahrain. Madeline comes next. Bullish Dream, Money for Sheltex. Divine Diva, Beat the Hit, Sunday King, Tanging Ikaw, play now. And Little Girl is racing in 14th. And nearing the fourth turn, we've got medals time by about 4 lengths. Bahrain now coming closer in second. Uncle in third. Then in fourth comes Roadrunner. Bullish Dream moving a party outside. And it's still medals time by about a length and a half. Bahrain is on the outside second. Then in third comes number 10, Uncle. But it's still medals time. Bahrain is on the outside. But it's still medals time by about a length and a half. Bahrain remains in second. Third, Bullish Dream.
Okay, nakita ko na yung ating datingan for the Super 6. It's 6, 8, 7, 4, 10, and 5. And that's Jackie Val Dilemma beating Brother Patty.